is going to be this subnet is the pool that it's going to be allocated in. The fact that it is not really going to pull any from that because this is client specific is kind of not really the point really. So server subnet, and this is going to be 10.168.100.0/24. Okay, now we need some TLS configuration. Let's set the CA cert file to be etc. OpenVPN ca.cert. Then we have a cert file. And that's going to be MSPR2. We need a diffie file. It's nice and easy, it's always the same. And then we need a key file. MSP R2.key. Let's commit that and see what we missed off. And we didn't miss anything. Let's have a look what our configuration looks like. Let you look at that for a second if you want to check your configs. I said the most important bit is that this particular IP address matches this particular subnet. You don't even have to include that IP address, but this subnet has to be included. And then this subnet is the subnet that you're putting the other side of your device that you're placing with your client, if you like. Okay, let's save how far we've got. Let's go ahead and set up the client side. Now, I guess in reality you'd be passing the certificate and key maybe physically or over a USB thumb drive or something, but here we've got to do, I guess, a little bit of a man in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll put the certificates onto router 1 and then have onto MSP router 1 and then get client router 2 to come in and pick it up. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go from here. And the files we want to do are anything that starts client, and it's got to go to 192.168.11.1. Let's put it in the /root directory. That's fine. Two of them, and let's have this go and then pick them up. So let's cd etc. OpenVPN. Actually, I need one more file. Let's copy over the ca.cert. Okay. Now that's done, let's go over to client 2. Okay, now the file we want to get is 194.16.18.1. It's in the root directory, and it's anything starting with client, and we want to put it there. And then we also want anything with CA in it. Okay, so we got certificate, key, and the CA certificate as well. Let's bring those now into our OpenVPN configuration. Okay. Set interface. Okay, now the mode here is client. We know here the remote